Going back to the dentist. Ah, it's getting cold, man. Had to move out of the way to make space for the baby carriage. It's just the right thing to do. I have a great respect for people who reproduce, preferably more than 2.1 children. Got some more editing done. I'm damn near caught up for the first time in who knows how long. Basically since Mike died, I've been really behind all these train trips back and forth, giving me plenty of time to catch up. So yeah, it's nice. Look at this bullshit ass propaganda. There should be enough parking spots, and you should be able to move out of your parents' place to start your own family in Copenhagen. And I dream of free childcare and just like free places you can put your children. Like these are just like I dream of. There should be. I wish. Like these are not promises. This is just the same old fucking bullshit. Huh?
If you had that, people would just leave their kid there forever.
Yeah, but no, it's the same old bullshit every 4 years, man. Like, oh, I dream of this. Oh, you should be able to that, man. These fucking politicians, nothing's ever gonna change, man. It doesn't matter if you vote red or blue. It's all the same shit.
They still quote Martin Luther King.
Nah, it's not that. It's just like it's just the political shit. Every 4 years there's elections, and they don't even promise shit anymore. It's just, oh, there should be, oh, I wish there would be. But if you elect these people, they ain't gonna do shit except make the rich richer, make groceries more expensive.
I mean, it's kind of like, what else are they gonna do? Like it's easy to make the rich rich, and like, what, you maybe pray that a rich person does something generous.
Yeah. I don't vote for a reason. This is a waste of time, man. If you want a solution, you gotta forgo politicians because they've only made shit worse. You gotta find a new way. Back in the dental office, waiting for Dion to get his tooth fixed. Maybe a while I'm gonna edit a bit. I fell asleep in the reception of the dental office listening to Valis by Philip K. Dick. And yeah, Dion, he got it all fixed today. Thankfully someone cancelled their appointment, so he was able to get it all fixed. And the discomfort he's been feeling for months now has gone away. And he just told me some stuff that made me worry that, you know, this has gotten pretty bad, and that it could potentially lead to a heart attack or something on that level. So I'm just happy he got it fixed. I know it's a bit expensive here in Denmark, but also the care, the quality of the care is much higher, and the longevity of the materials they use to fix the tooth is a lot higher as well. So I'm pretty sure as long as he keeps his dental hygiene up, he's gonna keep that tooth for life. So I'm pretty happy about that. I think we're just going back to Nyborg now. It's already getting late. Well, not late, more so dark. "20 minutes before our train leaves. Plenty of time. We gotta get in this old ass German train. I don't remember having ever been in one of these before. Maybe I have as a kid. It's going to Hamburg. This is different. Oh, let's sit here. Alright, here we are. Hopefully this thing opens automatically.
Per questo sono qua.
Oh. There we go.
Corri.
Just gotta wait here for the next train. It's gonna show up in the same track. We're eating egg cake or egg cake with bacon embedded in it as well. Fried in bacon grease with some bell pepper in there. I added some more spices this time. I think it's nice, even though it ain't spicy. I'm out in the bathroom, about to smoke a cigarette. I'm just hanging out with Stony in voice chat, watching some China show. And yeah, Dion decided he's gonna go back to America. I mean, I get it. He lost some money in the stock market, and he also had to pay for the dentist and the plane ticket that he didn't actually use. He canceled it. Non-refundable though, but because of some issues with a girl. So I get it, you know. He lost a lot of money. Well, at least he would if he liquidated his position. But he's down right now. I get it, but he is leaving me in a very tough position. You know, if I had known that he was gonna nope out, I mean, I had my suspicions he was gonna nope out on the journey, but if I had known conclusively, I would have set myself up to, you know, have something going for me, because as things are looking now, I don't have any money, I don't have any income, and it looks like I'm gonna have to winter here in Denmark, which is gonna be beyond brutal. Yeah. I mean, I did my part. I got him a place to stay for free for 2 months, and I mean, sure, he bought food, but I'm sure rent is quite a bit more than the food he got. I mean, in one way, I can understand it, but in another, he's really choosing a fucked up time and situation for me to leave. I've been busy with burying my best friend and taking care of him, you know, being a good host, under the assumption that we were going to travel together, that I wouldn't have to worry about getting money for food. And now, when he's leaving, I'm not gonna be able to stay here in this apartment, and I'm not gonna have any money in my pocket, and I don't have any income, and I'm gonna have to sleep outdoors. I imagine I'm gonna go to Copenhagen just to be closer to Natja and Jason so I can help her. But I'm not gonna move in, you know? They have their own life. I don't want to be like a permanent fixture for months there just because it's cold. I'm just gonna have to tough it out in the cold. But I really just don't appreciate this. I feel like I've definitely done my part, and we had an agreement, you know. He knows I'm completely fucked. I mean, he's not completely fucked. He's still got money. He's just not got as much as he wanted. Of course, he's not responsible for me, but he has to be aware, or maybe he's not, but he should be aware that I've basically paused my own personal life while he's been here to be a good host. And maybe that's just typical me, you know, trying to be there for other people, help out other people, forgetting myself in the process. Well, I guess I'm just gonna have to learn from that. definitely gonna be a brutal winter, man. That's for sure. I would have much rather overwintered on the southern shore of Turkey, not having to worry about getting money for food. But I guess that's just not a luxury I'm gonna be able to get this time around. Maybe I'll be able to get some money together and leave either way. I just don't want to find myself in a part of the world that I don't know without money for food. It's just not a good situation to be in. It's a great way to end up exploited. But I guess I already had a feeling that this was gonna happen when he more or less immediately started talking about just staying inside the apartment because it was too cold. And then when he ordered the ticket to go to see his girlfriend in Taiwan, or girlfriend, whatever you call it, lady friend, you know, those were definitely red flags. Well, I guess it's ultimately on me. We're both adults. We can do whatever we want, but I definitely feel like I've gone above and beyond. I guess I just can't expect the same from others. I mean, I'll still talk to him. I'm gonna be a lot more hesitant about doing stuff with him in the future. He's talking about coming back here, but I think I should probably focus on myself from here on. Because who knows? He can just change his opinion and just go elsewhere. And then I'm just kind of stuck with whatever situation I got in the moment. And if I'm being a host to someone with the kind of lifestyle I have, I can't really go out and make money at the same time, you know? I mean, I even feel bad for leaving him for the few days I did to go take care of Jason and to be there for Nadja as well. Because I'm aware that, you know, he's not great at cooking or cleaning or any of those things. So, and I promised him before he got here that I would take care of that stuff. For me, it's just a matter of integrity. When I tell people something, I'm gonna do it. But I'm gonna smoke a cigarette now. I really don't want to let myself get frustrated over stuff like this because this is just how life is, you know? It's just me doing my part, people kind of screwing me over. That's just how it is. But hey, at least one good positive piece of news, just to end it on a positive note. A guy from the electric unicycle forum, I'm not gonna get into who, maybe he doesn't want to be mentioned, but he's been following the channel to some extent, and he wants to help me out, send me some money to get my elbow protectors fixed. So I'll have all my protective gear. Currently I got the wrist protectors, the knee shin protectors, the helmet, and now the high top shoes as well. And yeah, I just gotta get my PayPal fixed, and of course that's a huge hassle. I've been like trying to reset my password and get in there, and I'm just caught in this this spiral of, oh, it's locked, and oh, you can't log in, and I tried calling the number, and yeah. Hopefully I'll figure it out in the next few days because I could really use that money to get those elbow protectors fixed. Because I'm gonna be driving around every day now on the wheel in Copenhagen, presumably collecting cans and bottles to make some money. But yeah, cigarette time.